Okay, next in my box of tricks is this Odyssey battery, which is a lightweight battery. I've weighed this before and it's only 6.5 kilos compared to, yeah, it's designed for motorbikes, boats, but it's got enough cold cranking amps to run in your car. You might need to just put it on a trickle charger, but mine's on a trickle charger normally anyway. And the idea is to just replace this mammoth battery, which I'm hoping is probably going to weigh about 15 to 20 kilos, but I was worrying about the sound deadening, so let's find out. I'll put that on the scales and see how much weight we can save. Okay, battery unscrewed. Let's get this bad boy out and see how much it weighs. It's hefty. I'd be interested to see how much it does weigh. It's getting a bit grim in here. The other battery is much smaller, so I'm going to have to find a way to sort that out. So yeah, you can actually lie it flat. It should fit, so I'd like to give that a go. But let's get this battery weighed. Alright, let's give this a go. Got it on a flat surface this time. Definitely flat, tested by me. Okay, zero it out. Oh my god. 14.1. So yeah, 14 to 15 kilos. This is just a standard 12 volt lead acid battery. So yeah, you can expect most of these batteries to be around 15 kilos. So yeah, that should be a good saving of yeah, probably about 7.5 kilos. So decent saving. Right, the battery is in, albeit not massively securely, but you can see the difference in size. This one is much smaller, and again much lighter. At least half as light, half the weight. Okay, moment of truth. Let's see if this small battery starts the engine. All good. Right, my new battery holder has arrived, so let's take a look at this and give this a go. And an aluminium battery tray should hold it in place. So let's see what we can do with this. Since last time you guys saw the battery, I've actually fitted some quick release fixings. So I put on a new connector on the negative side. The positive side already had a like an eye hole circular ring connector, but the negative side didn't. That was actually just connected and clamped into one connection. So what I did was strip the wire back a bit, added two ring connectors on that, so then I could screw that into these quick release battery clamps. In fact, I'll bring the camera closer so you can see it. Yeah, so these are the two ring connectors that I added on. Two here, and then you just screw these in onto the quick release battery terminal. Just makes getting the battery on an awful lot easier. This one's stood up and pretty wobbly, so let's get something that's a bit more stable. Disconnect the battery and put on some gloves. Always good to have latex gloves on. Full cavity. So quick release should make this a hell of a lot easier. To get this case on, it should fit this Odyssey Extreme, as I mentioned, PC680. also known as the ODS AGM 16L, if you're wondering. The old trusty rag. Let's give this a clean up. Don't touch the terminals with your hands, obviously. This is the standard plastic battery case that just has the clamp hooks that go in here. Screws on top on your original battery. As you can see, it tends to hold a lot of water. The idea of the tray is that it goes on this battery here, and the edge hooks onto the lip of this battery here, so it should fit nice and snug. A lot of wires in the way here. Right. Come on. This is pretty tight work. If we go back to the drawing board on this one. Damn it. There we go. There we go. Who knew that bodging a battery in an engine bay would take so long? It's in though, and it's fairly stable enough for now. I will screw that in properly at some point, but to be honest, I thought replacing the battery with a lightweight battery was going to be the easiest job on this car, but it is by far turned out to be the hardest. It was really not easy. Yeah, anyway, thanks for tuning in. I'll see you guys in the next episode. Enjoy.